getting the hang of it.
You getting pro, mate? Maybe let's sell your go-kart.
No, my dad that.
No way.
No, I'm already good in that.
Right. How's it? Easy?
It's very nippy at the front. It feels more like an actual car in terms of you've got a lot of front end. You can control it, you just got to put so little steering in.
Got it.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Hi, everyone. This is me. This is Archie. A big kid, I can say now. Playing these toys. Right, guys. Yes, you're right. We are at Scale Drift. Radio control drift cars. And I didn't plan to film anything, but Archie said, I want to try it. And I'm thinking like, okay, let me film him practicing these cars. So guys, today video is how we tried first time.
This is our best chance, yeah.
Maybe we can call it how we started it.
We get our first 2 laps, or not, our first lap, and then let's compare it to when we're finished. I reckon we'll be a lot better.
Well, let's see how we're gonna do at the end.
Yeah.
I'm gonna film 1 lap of you doing now. Of course, I'm gonna film more laps.
Yeah.
But we will,
best lap.
yeah, we will see the progress between the first lap and the last one.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Right, I've got your lap. Now I'm gonna film how it should be. Guess by whom?
You?
No, by our Ukrainian friend.
Yeah, he'll show you how it's done.
So he's gonna show us how we need to do that.
Yep.
Let's see that. What can advice you give to Archie? What advice you can give to Archie about him starting?
Just like my dad said, for every person that started out, I would say just drive around the track carefully, just without spinning out. Don't try follow someone, go in front of someone. Just carefully go around the track, basically. Just
Archie, you listen.
just learn how the car feels, and then after that you can try getting into the clipping point, the yellow zone, to yeah, basically it's just gonna look a lot nicer. Then after that, obviously, once you get the feel of the car and you have good lead lines, then you can start chasing people, which is, like, to me, like one of the funnest parts of the hobby, where you can just get as close to people as possible without making any contact.
Got it? Cool. Go ahead, mate. Try it. Concentrated man.
I haven't blinked in an hour.
How's your hands?
I've got so much cramp in my leg.
Yeah, I think you're using more muscles than in karting.
This is a workout, and more than I realised.
Oh. Okay, not gonna disturb you. Concentrate. You know what? You already can go sideways.
I was just in a tandem with a couple of guys, but I think they were being nice. They could have easily dashed me out of the way.
I can't go one lap without spinning. You look, you're going just, oh my God. How are you doing that? Ah, okay. That was okay.
I've hit that almost every lap.
That is a tradition?
Oh yeah, it's the right line though. It's the right line.
Look at him. Man, you are very good with the throttle.
Thank you.
Right, what are you thinking? Tell me your, after how long we're doing already, half an hour? Tell me your feelings.
I think
Wait. Okay, tell it now.
I think you've just got to get used to, I think it's the same with even driving normally. It's just, you've got to spend more time driving it. Because I can get used to this, it's just hard. It's like, you always try and push it to try and go quicker, but that's not the point. Like, the point of it is like to keep control. So it's not going too fast or hitting too much throttle or turning it too hard. If you look at a big trend amongst all of these guys is they're doing very little steering and throttle. So I'm trying to copy that, and it's going well. I'm getting better.
Right, where is Archie? Where is Archie? Ah, here he is, Toyota Supra. He's already doing for how long? Like 40 minutes?
Yes.
What you can say about him?
Improving, like most. He can definitely now link up maybe a few corners. Better than when he just started.
Look, he's doing through this one big one. Not that bad. Even clipping apexes.
Definitely not too bad for someone who's only been doing it for, what, 40 minutes?
Yeah.
May not be so consistent, but consistency always comes with time. It's practice time.
I mean, you know, I think consistency up here, where you're doing everything with your hands, it's like, it's not what you're gonna get in, I don't know, even in a month.
Yeah.
Because
Take ages, yeah.
like everything what you're doing with the legs in a normal car, here you have, your brains have to readapt it.
Yeah.
Let's say that way. So we can say after 40 minutes it's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's keep watching him. How are we doing?
Struggling. Yeah, it just went. I think the front's also.
I think you already like over practice. Mate, you're doing 3 hours.
Coming on to 4.
Nearly 4, yeah.
No, I can just feel like the front's not gripping anymore. I'll say not anymore. It's not gripping like it used to. Like the whole thing skates a lot more. So I can get it in, but it's just once I go too hot, the whole thing just goes completely.
Right, May. What conclusion we can make about this RC drifting?
It is very fun and hypnotic and addictive.
You know, I asked the minimum price for how much you can make.
300 to 400 pounds.
Yeah, 300, 400. You can make one of these, yeah.
I would as well.
And I think it's a quite good price, you know, for No, and I think it's not only beginning level, it's like you already can take competition in that car.
Yeah, I mean the one we're using, with a bit more practice, we could probably do quite well with it, and it was only about 400 quid, so I think that's pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
Considering some of the ones out here are like a couple of thousand, I managed to keep up with some of them.
Yeah.
It's just those like fine tuning, I think that's all they give you.
Right, Archie already doing 3 hours. I've been just jumping on and off, like maybe maximum what I've done is like 40 minutes. And you've seen him driving now. Let's be honest, he progressed, but I think to be perfect, it's need like not hours and hours, it's need months and months.
Yeah. It's still a very good improvement for the first time. Like most corners, like if you can see now on track, he can link them up fairly decently. It's not going to be perfect because it's first time driving, but it's getting somewhere.
And I think this is not his setups, nothing. He just jump on a car and just drive it.
Yeah, definitely.
So, Nazar, how long it took you to be on a level like you now?
So first 1-2 years my car wasn't very good, so I wasn't really learning anything. But then so I'd say maybe 2.5 years, 2 years maybe is how I'm driving now. Still not the best, still learning a lot.
I think people who are doing it even for 10 years, they still have way to progress.
Yeah, definitely.
They're always searching for that thing.
That's a great thing about it as a hobby. You can always progress up.
Right. Whew. How many hours you've done it?
4.5. Straight.
Are you happy with the results?
Oh, I'm really happy with how it took me through. Yeah, I've really enjoyed it.
What do you think? Your opinion, your first impression?
My first experiences, I really enjoy it actually. I like the whole drifting sideways. It's a bit more, you've got to take your time, you appreciate the drift more instead of just trying to fly through a corner line. It's actually quite satisfying to watch when you get it right.
Nazar, what you can say about Archie? Is he good for RC drift?
Definitely improving a lot since just started.
Nice one. Nazar, thanks a lot for this experience.
Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, thank you.
Here we go, and as usually, thanks for you for this video, and for you as well, mate. Right, guys, this is it. Hit the like button if you like Archie drift. If you like Archie drifting, share the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment for Nazar, Archie, me. You don't understand Ukrainian. You need to wait for the next video to leave a comment for me. And guys, as usually, I'm gonna see you in next video. See ya!